What is up, everyone? This is MoTutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the Windows has stopped this device because it has reported a problem code 43. So this is a Windows error code 43 that pops up when you're trying to open an application or software from your USB or just in general from your computer, and this error pops up. There's a very quick fix. You want to go to your search bar at the bottom and you want to open Registry Editor. Once you have Registry Editor open, you want to click into HKey Local Machine. You want to click into System. Once you're inside System, you want to click into where it says Current Control Set, and then you want to open Services. You want to go where it says USB Store. So we're going to look for where it says right here, where it says USB Store. So this is the one you're going to click into this. There's no more drop down. You're just into it now. Over here, there's something called Error Control. You can double click into this and press value, write the value 3 instead of 1, and then restart your computer, and you should not have this error persist any longer. That's basically all you'll have to do. Simple fix, and this should be good to go, and you should not have this error persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys still have any comments, questions, concerns, let me know in the comment section below. More than that, if you guys are like this video, please smash that like when it's like. Guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell. That MoTutorials out. Peace.